guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shiko. You're very much welcome. We are on our way to the village and we stopped by a place called Wajee Nature Park. We are coming here to just explore pastime as we head on our journey, and it's a very interesting place that I wanted to show you guys, so that if you're looking for chilled out place in a quiet place that is like nature-ish, you can try this place, and it's in here. You can come camping here. So I just want to show you guys the place real quick. So that's the name. It's called Wajee Nature Park, and let's go. So since I studied in NYERI, when I was a kid, we used to come for school trips here sometimes, and there are some bird species that are in this place that are nowhere else in the world. It's a bird sanctuary, a camping site. I'm gonna show you guys the camping site right now. You can see some people are camping here. You can see, yeah, and you can see the place is surrounded by trees all over. Yeah, so we're gonna go see around. But hatuwezi kuama. So I think there are actually some people who are here having parties and stuff like that. So you can see what's available: camping, events, nature walk and bird watching, meetings.
Can it be there to
Yeah. So guys, this is the event site. So weddings, camping, group activities, and this is in MUKURWEINI, NYERI. More camping sites. Oh, 1941. 1941.
Wow. That's old.
Yeah.
1941. I wasn't born.
So this is the family?
So this house, he built it in 1941.
Wow.
Wow.
When he became the reverend,
Yeah.
before he became the reverend, he embraced Christianity, and the missionaries came. So we know
Online?
Wajee has a name on it, so we know here.
So this is a fireplace. I'm vlogging.
Yeah,
Yeah. So the people who are camping can come.
people who are camping, we make them here a bonfire.
Yeah.
So stay here around, or even families. Families will come to spend night in
So you guys can see, if you're camping at this side, this is the fireplace just here. You can just come and they light a bonfire, and it's just nature surrounding you. It's really cool. So if you're coming here for a nature walk, this is where it starts, and you go down up to the forest. I think I can show you guys a bit of it, though I can't go down because we have no time and we had not prepared for this. But you can see nature trail. I've come here when I was like 12, very long time ago, when I was in primary school. And they give you binoculars to watch the birds. I think one day I should come and do a more detailed vlog when I'm going to the nature trail and all that, when I have more time. But today I'm just gonna show you guys the overview. See? Yes, sir.
You know Mugumo?
Oh, Mogumo
The
tree.
famous Mugumo tree.
Where is it?
This one. That's sweet, yeah.
This is the fig tree.
This is the famous, the one that Kikuyus used to zunguka.
The one that you are not supposed to do because you change your sex.
Ah, yeah, there's a myth. There's a myth that if you go around this tree
7 times.
7 times,
Yes.
you would change your sex. If you're a man, you become a woman.
I can try.
But that was a myth.
Yeah.
It's huge.
It's sacred.
Okay.
Especially the community around here.
Yeah, it's a sacred tree.
Keeping children out of the tree.
So if you want a wedding in the jungle, this is the place. I grew up in this place, this area, but I have never gone camping. I don't even know what camping feels like. I haven't, and at this point I don't think I would, because look at those small houses. How does one even sleep there? Not so sure, unless I'm with like very interesting people. And there's a cool place for chilling over there. So cool.
Now this is a demonstration of how our homestead used to look like, particularly the Kikuyu community.
Traditional Kikuyu Homestead.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. So you guys, this is how traditional Kikuyu Homestead looks like. What's here?
That's the
A hall. Oh. Okay.
Let's go.
I don't know if he starts with which one. We used to cook with these things. Pots. Yeah. Like boiling githeri. Yeah. It boils, it cooks really nice. It preserves heat.
This was the first house.
Yeah.
First wife. Second wife. If you had the third one, I had for her. The fourth one, I had for her.
And it was actual where they live.
Yeah, and it's something real. It's where they live.
And it's also today.
No. So we've actually cooked with this.
You did?
Yeah. So this is the place they used to sleep. This is the bed.
Is it true?
No,
Yeah.
without the pots. The pots are not supposed to be
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was his bed. As simple
Can-
as that, yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, we have people in Norway living in the north.
But I've been told it's over 200 years old. Can you imagine? But it's so huge. From there all the way down. Yeah, so anyway, I don't think we're gonna go anywhere else, but I just wanted, they even have cottages, so if you don't want to sleep, if you come here for camping and you don't want to sleep in the camps, you can sleep in the cottages, and their rates are so fair. Like for the ground, that ground I've showed you guys, if you're renting it for a wedding, it's only 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Can you imagine? How much are camping rates?
Camping rates for now it's 800.
800 for per night, per person. So it's 800 for camping per person per night. What about the small cottages? 2,000 per night. Oh, and they're pretty cool. Okay, so that's it. Guys, we have to leave. I'm going to continue show you guys around my home when we get home in a couple of minutes, and then I'll end the vlog from there. Club Kioiba. Huh?
Where's the neighbor?
Huh?
Where's the neighbor?
Neighbor what? Neighbors. A club called Neighbors. Uh-huh.
See, your neighbor is a club.
Yeah, my neighbor is a club, but we have not yet gotten there. So guys,
This is the place.
there is a club here called Zinc. Club Zinc. It's our neighbor, because our home is just somewhere here. Which is your uncle there? Hey, huh? We are home. We are home. So sometimes that club makes noise when we are sleeping. And then she left. So yeah. So it's funny that we have a church as a neighbor and we also have a club as a neighbor. So the club is down there, the church is here. So guys, this is my home. This is how the village life looks like. This is my mother. This is a small kitchen. We cook with firewood and we have chicken cooking. Ni video. If you don't know chicken, that's chicken. And then we have cows over there.
Go down, Moses, way down in Egypt's land. Tell Pharaoh to let my people go. So when Israel was in Egypt's land, let my people go. Oppressed so hard they could not stand. Let my people go. Go to Moses, go down, Moses, way down in Egypt's land. So tell Pharaoh to let my people go.
So thank you for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this video with your friends. Yeah. And visit Wajee camp. Saseni. So bye guys.